Meaning of indecently.
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 Indecently. The word indecently refers to behaving or speaking in a way that is offensive or inappropriate, particularly in relation to sexual matters. It suggests a violation of social norms and standards of decency. Indecent behavior is generally considered to be disrespectful to others and can result in negative consequences such as shame, ostracism, or legal action. Indecent behavior can take many forms, from public nudity to sexual harassment. It's important to maintain appropriate boundaries and respect others' personal space and privacy to avoid engaging in indecent behavior.